Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan, mabuhay og madayaw. Members of the media who is present here at this juncture diri sa Hanami Beauty and Aesthetics diri sa JP Laurel Avenue, Bahada ning siyudad sa Davao, and welcome to this mini media forum together with our guest who is just recently having a champion sa W Copa, si Ma'am Ivana Jane Juan, together with her coach Camille Bulyeser. So, first and foremost, mabuhay madayaw, your opening statements po?
Mabuhay ug madayaw, Pilipinas, and especially Davao. And my name is Ivana Jane Juan, your junior grand champion variety artist of the world.
Camille, your opening statement?
Madayaw,
Mabuhay madayaw.
Mabuhay Madayaw. I am Elena Camille Bulyaser. I am one of Ivana's coaches in her aerial arts performance.
Alright, so we go on first with the opening questions to be specific. As, syempre, bagway lamang, we'll go on first to Ma'am Ivana to be specific na congratulations di ay sa imuhang pagdaod. But can you elaborate to us together with our media friends about sa experience ninyo sa World Championships sa Langyong, Kabaybayonan, or sa laing
Las
country?
Vegas.
Yes po. Kindly.
So my experience during my competition, it was challenging, but I really didn't take it that seriously. So what happened was there was a lot of pressure, and we had to go through many experiences there, like waking up early in the morning, having no sleep, and eating less because we were really that busy. But I didn't really take it that seriously because I wanted to experience that it is once in a lifetime. So yeah, it was really fun too, and I met some friends, and it was just I'm happy about it.
Yes. Ma'am Ivana, I'd like to ask how many months or weeks na inyo gina-train before nakasalang mo sa championship sa Las Vegas?
Actually, my preparation was 1 year.
Oh.
Yes po.
Pero how difficult naman with so many trainings na inyong ginabuhat, especially the schedules?
Yeah, it's hard because kasabay po siya sa school ko po. So I had to really adjust with my time, and what was really hard for me, it was that during the time of my preparations, I was also dealing with my weight. So, yeah.
Grabe kayo, no? Pero how do you maintain well with syempre, the requirements that needed para makasulod, and especially during the championships?
There were less requirements needed. We only had our financials, and it was kind of hard because asking solicitations from people and asking help from the government is kind of hard here in Davao. So we really focused with my father's expenses, and ayun po.
Yeah. We go on to Camille, one of the coaches. Kay, syempre, you've been part of her journey. But, likely, I would like to ask na, syempre, how well na makasunod ra gyud sa flow ni Ivana when it comes sa training and also sa preparations until nga nakasalang sa championships?
Nakita dyan ako ang dedication ni Ivana, like iyang time management, especially kasi nag-school pa si Ivana. I saw how she went sa studio na tired, yet she still showed up. She still tried her best sa mga trainings namo, sa pag-follow sa iyang choreographies, and it made me really proud na she became the grand champion sa variety arts na division.
But how do you see the potential of Ivana in the future, kumbaga?
Dako kayong potential ni Ivana, of course, kay kato grabe persistent jud siya bisag unsa ka lisod, mo push jud si Ivana bisag unsa ka lisod ng iyang ginahatag sa iya na na choreography or problem gusto dun niya i-solve or i-overcome.
Alright. Before I would let the media friends asking questions, I would like to acknowledge also the presence, of course, from different media entities. First up is from Mindanao Examiner, from Pop Davao PH, Eman Alba, from Newsport, DXKTRTN Davao, latest Davao News and Luz Bimin News and Public Affairs Magazine, Bobby Ramos Braceros, and of course from Davao Updates is Ziandro Duke Larena. So I'm giving the time to give questions. Who would we like to go first? Bobby?
Flashback lang ta ma'am no. Naon sa kapagpili dito na ba elimination or how old are you right now?
Do I need all this? Okay. I am 15, turning 16 this August 21. So, asking about how I got chosen, or yeah, we actually had our audition, their first audition, when it was 2024, there in SM Ecoland, but I didn't get through. So, I took the moment to go to General Santos para dun po ako mag-audition and dun po ako napili.
Then ano bang countries ang you beat in winning the championship ma'am?
During the grand finals, I was against Ireland, and yes, I got the title.
Ilang countries ba nag-compete in that particular one?
Yung pagkakaalam ko po before, it was supposed to be about 70 countries, but I think it got lessened now, and I'm not really sure about how many countries are there.
Kung sa particular event imong nadaog ba?
The event, it is the World Championship of Performing Arts.
Sa dancing, singing?
Oh, okay. Variety of arts po.
Unsa na siya for ordinary po?
Well, for my part is acrobatic sports po.
Wait, anyone else?
How many participants did you compete during that?
How many participants?
Different countries.
I'm
Ilang countries can you compete?
How many countries? I'm not really sure po, because from what I've said, it was about 70 countries
During
before.
elimination round.
Yeah, yes po. I'm not really
So
sure.
marami talaga.
Opo, madami po talaga.
Yung acrobatics aerial ba yun or sa surface?
There are many types of acrobatic sports po.
Yung particular na
For me, it's aerial hoops.
aerial hoops.
Yes
Ah,
po.
Eman?
Yeah, and what's next for this about sports? Then do you have anything to say to tell us, or maybe something to join in the future?
In the future, I'm looking forward to joining a pageant competition there in Bangkok, Thailand po.
It's another international stage na naman. So
Yes po.
what is that all about?
It's for my winning title before sa yung napalalunan ko po sa Manila. It's the Miss Preteen Global Philippines, and I won the Miss Preteen Global Heritage title. And now I am joining this competition there in Bangkok, Thailand, dedicated to heritage.
So as a sports girl and a beauty cyclist also, which do you prefer more sa dalawa? If in case you have to choose one of those.
I cannot really choose because I love both of my the things that I'm doing. But if I had to choose one, I would rather choose variety of arts, because thinking about it, it makes me fit, and it gives me I just really love doing it, because yun din po yung pinaka first talent ko.
Correct. That's it. Congratulations pala.
Thank you.
During your performance, did you encounter like difficulties or challenges along the way?
Yes, I really did.
Can you tell us?
Yeah. Kasi po, bago po ako pumunta dun sa Las Vegas, we had difficulties with our flights. And we went there to Las Vegas really late, and I didn't get to join our Parade of Nations. We had difficulties with our flights and dates because of the yung bagyo po na nangyayari sa Taipei. Yes po.
And then during sa final round,
During the final rounds, it's not really that of a problem. Nagkaroon lang po kami ng konting problem sa pagsasabit sa hoops because of the rigor.
Usually, ang winners ng Copa is nag-show business. So do you have plan to do that in the future if given the chance? Or?
If I've been given the chances, I would.
And to Miss Camille, ano kaya ang winning edge na against other countries, especially that medyo yung event niya is aerial, di ba?
Yes.
What makes the buhay niya exceed other nationalities within the competition itself? Anong nangyari doon na the judges decided to give her the gold medal for that event?
For me personally, we really trained Ivana na Angeline Grace, Angeline controlled movement, to really enjoy her craft, and meron of course yung musicality. And we really stick to kung asan nagbagay si Ivana, the movements, the music, the flow of everything, and I think that gave her the edge. And it was, I think, what the judges choice to give Ivana the title.
You're competing in the junior na ba yung adult in the future, or do you plan to do that as well?
Yeah, for me, since nandito naman po talaga ako, then whatever God gives me, then I will do it.
You said earlier na hindi ka na napasok dito sa elimination sa Davao, then you went to Jensen. Why you still
Yes.
pursue despite the fact na medyo it's a heartbroken na hindi ka nakapasok dito?
Something just told me that I should do it, because when I first auditioned, I didn't get in. I was disappointed, but it's just the instinct that I should do it. That's why I did.
so saan ka humuhugot ng inspirasyon joining this kind of talent?
My greatest inspiration is really my mommy, kasi siya yung inspiration ko, because from her story back then, she really wanted to do this type of things but she just couldn't. So siya talaga yung inspiration ko to do more.
To all youngsters out there, anong masasabi mo sa kanila to inspire them to follow in what you did, di ba? Despite the fact na you failed in the elimination in your own city, then you went 3 hours from here to Jensen and pursue your dreams.
To all the teens out there, especially to those who are not privileged enough, in my opinion, they really have this talent na it deserves to be on the global stage. So what I can really tell them is to never give up and to always pursue your dreams and really pray to God, because there will always be a chance where you can really achieve your dreams.
Okay, so is there any support from the government during your competition? Like, of course, like YOLO, di ba? From the sports commission. So, meron ba?
It's sad to say, but there's nothing.
But you try to see.
Yes po.
So wala
I
ano?
really try to seek help, but I think I would really keep it private
But
from
now
based
that
on
you've won, did they reach out na to go to city mayor's office or city office?
We've been given the chance to meet with Rigo Duterte, and I'm looking forward to it.
Yes.
They have a schedule. They have a schedule already.
Not yet.
And this time to introduce you in public because Kadayawan, di ba?
Yes
Merong
po.
champion Davao niya.
Yes.
So dapat ma-recognize ka. Oo. And then ma-recognize from the national, di ba? So maging part ka sa sports commission, yung agency na, di ba lahat doon, nandun yung ano, yung yung mga athlete,
Yes po.
Oo.
May part ka ba sa incoming Kadayawang celebration like the parade or whatever? Are you part of the celebration?
No po.
So Emma, ikaw na ang ikaw na ang way
You have to reach out.
reach out na yung communication department ng ng City Hall na merong
CIO.
Oo, yung CIO, si
Dapat
sino yun?
i-invite sa karong parade ba?
Si Sir
Dapat na
Lapis.
i-upload.
Oo, pwede siya. Oo, kasi kailangan ito ma-expose.
May deadline.
Oo.
But anyway,
Hindi pwedeng tayo.
yeah, oo.
Oo,
Okay, but-
big event ito.
May schedule naman
Yes,
sila.
oo.
May schedule another forum or
At saka, like, di ba Saturday yung yung highlight ng event or di ba may mga programs ng dapat ma-recognize ka, kahit acknowledge, di ba?
That's why mag-send ko og letter ngayon sa Office of the Vice Mayor.
Sa ano ka? Sa CIO.
CIO.
CIO ka, sa Information Office.
Alright.
Actually, nag-talk ni Vice Mayor kagabi.
Okay na.
Kami ka-parties.
Okay.
Ay, hairstylist. Tapos sabi niya na, mag-send lang ako ng letter for the Office of Vice Mayor. Then, i-address ko lang sa kanya. Tapos, siya na daw ang bahala mag-endorse kung saan niya ma-endorse.
Gani kayo nag-award ganyan sila mga Asian
sa culmination,
winners.
baka sa culmination sa Sunday, no?
Karang parade ba naman
The after,
Actually, nag-awarding daw sila last week or last week po ka mga athletes sa Davao. Tapos, bago pa mag-good siya na wala na rin. Wala ko siya na-recognize. So, dapat i-open ako siya kagabi.
Ang Sport Commission mag-agency sa Manila sa Bicol.
Okay.
So, kung ako sa Manila, pwede ka ma-assist ko.
Okay.
Mag-happy ko kayo. Di mo ma-introduce na to, sayang, di ba?
mato akong check up our Sir Rian. So, mag-schedule.
Alright. Right now we continue. We only have. Sorry. It's okay. Actually, naka-live naman to si Davao Updates. But anyway, on the record naman ni wala tayong choice. But anyway, can we bring along imong papa nga maka kay syempre siya man gyud ang nag paningkamot sa tanan, no? May we call on the father of Ivana, please, because he is
Si
or pwede po si mami. Pwede po si mami.
Kung saan naman year sa SBC?
po.
Anong year ka na sa SBC?
Grade 11.
Okay.
So, let's
kay
start ang talent mo or bata pa ka. Like, how...
Okay. Before we answer the question, we would like to we'll stay muna si Ma'am Camille and we would include the parents na lang para na-support kay sila gyud ang naningkamot. We request diha sa tuang couch na makauban sila, of course. Oo, si Ma'am, yes, si Mommy, yes. Oo. And si Papa.
Akong jacket. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Sige, tubag. Sige, so, you may answer the question.
No. During pandemic times, there was a lockdown, right? And my mother decided to give me a little hobby, and that is where it started. That is where I started hoops, and I really didn't expect that makareer ko talaga siya. Totoo.
I-go on sa inahan, likod,
Inahan sa
kanunay panabang, yan. Uban sa iyang papa, yes.
Pangayo.
Yes. Sige,
Anak ka makuyawan taan.
gani, kay,
Gani.
dili na to ipalisod. Makita man siya. Dili maglisod ang atuang ginikanan ni Ivana kay magbisaya ara ko.
Yehey.
Sige. Unang labing una sa inahan, how supportive ragyod sa iyahang endeavor, iyahang pag sulod aning career. Ilabi na nga nakadaog siya sa Las Vegas. Unsa gyud?
Yun sana ko siya
Yes,
pag-support.
pag-amuma.
Pag-amuma. Yun. Yun sana ko siya pag-amuma. Siyempre, una nag-audition me. Ako dyan daga kuan sa iyaha nga unang audition namo diri sa Davao mao tiyang giingon nga wala siya nakapasok. Nakita na ko sa iya nga sad kay siya kaya tinanong namin siya gusto ka bang mag-rest back sa Jensen kay after diri sa audition sa Davao mag-audition pod ang W Copa sa Jensen. Kaya pangutanan ako siya gusto ka mag-rest back sabi niya oo kaya nag-rest back kami sa Jensen audition kami ulit doon. Yun nakapasok na siya tapos sa mga practice niya ginahatod jud nako siya permanente sa iyahang mga practice. Duha pod ang iyang ginapraktisan kay nagmodeling pa siya, nag-aerial hoop pa siya. Nalay mga adlaw nga diri ata aerial hoop ta diri, napoy adlaw modeling ta diri.
Yes.
Nana jud akong gibuhat sa iyaha niya. Isa pa ang iyang health, ako jud ang diet kay kailangan sa modeling og sa aerial hoops.
Pero wala ka nagdisod with regard sa tanang mga paningkamot kay multitasking ang iyang ginabuhat, modeling, unya pagsalmot sa championship sa sports, giunsa na gyud pagayo anang
Lisod siya kapoy, niabot ang panahon nga kapoy na jud kaayo pero amo ra jud sige naana ta diri. Go na gyud ni padayon.
yeah,
Agwanta inahan.
gani. Sa amahan ni Ivana kay mangutana ra ko kay kabalo ko ikaw ang naggasto para sa gikan sa ambot lang sa hotel, sa accommodation, anything. Pero kamusta naman ang experience diya sa Las Vegas, especially kay I don't know kung gi-witness nimo ang imong anak sa pagsulod sa championships.
Actually, wala man ko sa sa actual event sa akong anak on board po ko that time. So nasa on board pa ko sa barko but nagmonitor gyud ko sa ilang kuan. So medyo lisod kay because sa time difference. So almost 4 hours. So kailangan magpuyat. And then nagbunga ra gyud ang among paningkamot og kanang labi na financial medyo bugat gyud but with the help of my kauban sa trabaho dako og tabang sila mga ninong kumpare mga friends. So salamat po sila kung dili po tungod nila dili ni maabot po ni Ivana nga ingani nga as grand champion.
Also may feeling after sacrifices ni daog gyud siya no?
Of course, sobrang as a father, of course, nandiyan na yan. Always proud and happy. And then, kumbaga, wala nang hilingin pa. They don't expect this talent, but binigay sa Lord. Yun.
So I would like to give an additional question yapon sa amahan. Although nga dugang-dugang ra pod ang iyahang career, mag-blooming pa puhon-puhon, pero kung ikay pabuton unsay mas ganahan imong ganahan na career sa imong anak, ang pag-model o ang sanmot sa sports?
Depende lang sa iya kung unsa gid yang gusto. As a parents, nalang mi dire para mag-support kung unsa gid yang gusto.
Yeah. Pero kani kay syempre nag-eskwela pa man siya pero unsay imong expectations ra pod sa iya pag-abot sa sakto nga edad nga gusto niya nga makuha ang iyahang gusto?
From the start, yung baby pa siya, nagsabot niya sa isa mong wife nga kung na may mga event hanggat mari dili maapektuhan yang pag-eskwela, priority gyud kay kuno naman na siya pero na naman ta diri pero antud karon gipadayon lang gyapon ako remind sila make sure nga dili maapektuhan yang pag-eskwela.
So sir, I know na dili siya typical pero naba kay gihatag na tambag before and after sa maong competition?
Of course nga sabi ko remind sila nga bisag unsay maabot nimo stay humble lang dili magmapataas walay apakan ng si katao na have fun lang sa mga i-enjoy lang not i-consider as competition i-enjoy lang i-enjoy lang yung nila yung talent niya.
Alright. So before I would wrap things up, I will give my last question to Ivana. Kay, syempre, with the due diligence of time management kay ang uban naaman po ilaing mga lakaw. But anyway, the last question that I like to ask is, if you weren't in the sports now, what is your career that you wanted to achieve kung pananglitan mahuman ang imong pag-eskwela?
If I didn't have any of my sports now, what I would really want to achieve is to pursue my on how I really want to become a doctor, because aside from any of my sports or any of my championships or competition or modeling, gusto ko talaga i-focus ang studies ko on becoming a doctor. And kasi ever since I was a kid, that was really my dream on becoming.
Before sa naging world champion ka, unsa may biggest award mo ani? Mo ba yung pinaka-biggest award or you won local or national competition?
I won at a national competition. I was titled the Miss Preteen Global Philippines Heritage 2025.
Okay, so as much as I wanted to give that time for our media to ask questions, but unfortunately, kumbaga sa millennial term, time is not giving. But anyway, tagaan nato closing remarks, but right before we thank everybody kay nagalantaw man sa tuwa, and thank you so much Duke sa pag-live. Tagaan nato nagigayon usa ang closing remarks sa ato ang guest gyud si si Ivana para sa iyang closing remarks, closing statement.
Thank you guys for watching, and thank you po for the media. Thank you Pop Davao. Thank you po. Thank you po everyone for coming here and for this interview. And I would also really like to thank my supporters, family, and especially God. Thank you for this moment and for this blessing.
Alright. To closing remarks ni Ma'am Bolia.
Wait, I forgot. Also, thank you for Hanami Beauty Barbie. Thank you so much, and for this lovely place.
Yes. To Miss Bolia, sir, their closing remarks.
Okay, so yes, again, thank you for the media. Thank you, everyone. Pero sa lahat-lahat, I want to congratulate Ivana. I'm really proud of you. Your Evolve family are proud of you. Everyone is. Samot na sa imong parents na that was there every step of the way. And you should be very proud of yourself for all the challenges na overcome mo.
So thank you so much, and thank you to the venue that's given to us today, Hanami Beauty Bar and Aesthetics, located just right in front sa Transformer sa Davao Life, sa JP Laurel Avenue, Bahada ng Siyudad sa Davao. Thank you, Ma'am Karen Joy Gulimlim, for accommodating us, the media. And this has been your moderator, Kadangpang Carlo Dolier. Thank you for watching this mini press con. Maayong adlaw, mabuhay, o madayaw!